Good afternoon, everybody. Thank you for taking the time to spend with me during this webinar today. Before we get started, I would like to just tell everybody that I hope you are safe in your homes with your families during this difficult time that we are going through. Today, we're going to go over the Lennox mini split and light commercial products for 2020. We'll start with the core values of Lennox International. Integrity, we behave in an honest and straightforward manner. We will not break the trust of the people around us. Respect, we respect our employees, our customers, our suppliers, and our competitors. We respect the communities where we work and live. Excellence, we value high performance from our employees and partners. We deliver quality in everything that we do, and we deliver value to our shareholders. The Lennox commercial vision and mission statements. The vision statement is to be recognized as the highest quality and most innovative commercial HVAC solutions provider. The mission statement is a world-class HVAC manufacturing and distribution company focused on creating profitable growth and an exceptional customer experience while providing a great place to work. So according to the product positioning for the residential products up to 5 tons, we have a large gamma of residential products to offer into the 50 hertz and 60 hertz markets. Today, we're only going to focus on the mini split and light commercial products for 50 hertz and 60 hertz. We're going to start with the 50 hertz mini split line. We have a standard efficiency on and off 50 hertz mini split available from 9,000 to 36,000 BTUs in cooling only and heat pump. It's available in 220 single phase 50 hertz R410A up to 3.46 EER for this 36,000 BTU model. The decibel sound level ratings go down to 26 decibels, and the standard features are remote control iFeel and auto restart function. We have the mini split inverter from 9,000 to 24,000 BTUs, cooling only and heat pump in 220 single phase 50 hertz, R410A. The average of the efficiencies in EER for this product, according to the specification tables, are 3.2 EER. The decibel sound ratings go down to 28 decibels. The standard features are remote control iFeel, auto restart function, and carbon filter included. It has an additional option of a Wi-Fi module kit for this system. Going into the 60 hertz line for mini splits, we have the on and off standard efficiency mini split model from 9,000 to 36,000 BTUs, cooling only and heat pump. It's available in 115 single phase 60 hertz in the 9,000 and 12,000 BTU models, and 220 single phase 60 hertz in the full line of the 9,000 to 36,000 BTU models. In R410A, it's NOM 23 2010 compliant and RETIC certified for the Colombian market. It's 10 EER or 2.81 watt over watt EER. The decibel sound rating levels go down to 28 decibels. The standard features include remote control iFeel, auto restart function, and X-fan function. We also have an 11.5 SEER on and off 60 hertz mini split product from 9,000 to 36,000 BTUs in cooling only and heat pump. It's available in 115 single phase 60 hertz in both the 9 and 12,000 BTU models. And for the full range of 9,000 to 36,000 BTUs, it's also available in 220 single phase 60 hertz. R410A, it's NOM 23 2018 compliant or the current NOM Mexican efficiency standard. It's 11.5 REEE. For those of you who do not know what our EEE metric is, it's basically the equivalent to SEER for the United States, but for Mexico. The decibel sound level ratings are down to 28 decibels, and the standard features include remote control I-feel and auto restart function. We then jump to the 3.21 EER on and off product, available from 9,000 to 24,000 BTUs, cooling only and heat pump. It's available in 115 single phase 60 Hertz in 9,000 and 12,000 BTU models. And it's also available in 220 single phase 60 Hertz for the full line of 9,000 to 24,000 BTUs. In R410A, it's NOM 23 2018 compliant and also ENEN certified for the Ecuadorian market. It's 3.21 EER. The sound decibel ratings go down to 28 decibels. The standard features include remote control I-feel and auto restart function. It has a new ergonomic design, as you can see on the panel, and it has a Wi-Fi module kit available as an option. Then we start jumping into the inverter line. We have the 3.21 EER inverter from 12,000 to 24,000 BTUs, cooling only and heat pump, 230 single phase 60 Hertz, R410A. It's also ENEN certified for the Ecuadorian market, 3.21 EER. The decibel sound level rating is down to 24 decibels. The standard features include remote control I-feel, gold fin corrosion protection on the condenser coil, and auto restart function. Now we go into the 16 and 17 SEER inverter. It's available from 9,000 to 24,000 BTUs, cooling only and heat pump, 230 single phase 60 Hertz, R410A, NOM 26 certified for Mexico, AHRI and ETL listed. 16 to 17 SEER, decibel sound level ratings down to 26 decibels. The standard features include remote control I-feel, auto restart function, X-fan function, photocatalytic filter, and gold fin on the condenser coil. This unit also has the option for the Wi-Fi module kit. Then we jump to the 18 SEER inverters, available from 9,000 to 36,000 BTUs, in cooling only and heat pump, 230 single phase 60 Hertz, R410A. It's NOM 26 certified for Mexico, AHRI, ETL listed, and RITIC certified for the Colombian market. 18 SEER, decibel sound level rating down to 28 decibels. Standard features include remote control I-feel, auto restart function, carbon filter included, and gold fin condenser protection for the condenser coil. This unit also has the option for the Wi-Fi module kit. This is the 21 SEER inverter, available from 9,000 to 24,000 BTUs, cooling only and heat pump, 230 single phase 60 Hertz, R410A. It's also NOM 26 certified for Mexico, AHRI and ETL listed. It's 21 SEER. The decibel sound level ratings go down to 28 decibels. The standard features include remote control I-feel, auto restart function, photocatalytic filter, and gold fin corrosion protection on the condenser coil. This unit also has a new ergonomic design, as you can see on the panel. It also has the option for the Wi-Fi module kit. And we finished the 60 Hertz inverters with the 23 SEER inverter from 9,000 to 24,000 BTUs, cooling only and heat pump, 230 single phase 60 Hertz, R410A, NOM 26 certified, AHRI and ETL listed. In addition, this model has from 12,000 to 24,000 Energy Star certification. It's 23 SEER, and the decibel sound level ratings go down to 29 decibels. The standard features include remote control I-feel, carbon filter, gold fin corrosion protection on the condenser coil, and auto restart function. So to explain a little bit on the features that these various mini split products have, I have a section here for explanation of features. So for the X fan, we have the indoor fan will continue to operate for 2 minutes in order to dry the indoor coil even though you have turned off the unit, not available in auto, fan, or heat mode. The carbon filter can effectively absorb smoke, pet, and other unpleasant odors, therefore increasing the indoor air quality of the space. The gold fin corrosion protection. For the condenser coil, it's coated with gold fin, which protects the coil against saline environments. The photocatalytic filter. The filter can oxidize and degrade organic contaminants. It effectively eliminates bacteria, viruses, and unpleasant odors from the space, therefore increasing the indoor air quality of the space. The remote control iFuel function. The unit will automatically pick up the temperature at the sensor inside the remote control to more accurately cool the space based on the user's location in the room. And the Wi-Fi module kit, it's a kit that when installed allows for the user to control the temperature of the system remotely using the Lennox Wi-Fi app. We have new exciting documents available on the Lennox Global website in both English and in Spanish. We have user manuals in English and in Spanish. We have service manuals in English. And we have a new revised submittal format that we have been working with for all of the Asian source products. This is the format that you can see in English. You can see that it has all the required information for a consulting engineer or for your homeowners or your technicians, including weights, dimensions, efficiency levels, etc. Excuse me. Inclusive of that, we also have the certifications that each unit has for the different products. We have the format in English, and we have the format in Spanish. And then here's a document listing that I've come up with so that you are all aware of what we have in English and in Spanish from a support document point of view. You could see that all of the units have the service manuals and the user manuals in English. Only some of them have the unit user manuals in Spanish. And the majority of them have both the submittals in the new format in English and in Spanish. And we're projecting out at this moment that for the 10 EER and the 3.21 inverter for Ecuador, we'll have the revised submittals by the end of June. So now we are moving forward with the Asian products light commercial line in 50 Hertz. We'll start with the light commercial 50 Hertz inverter ERP 4.0 product. This product is a European certified product that does have a CSEER value similar to that of the SEER from the United States, but it is defined as an SEER value, which is considered the European SEER, not the United States SEER. Those values and those specifications will be included in the new revised submittal format when produced. The capacities are up to 5 tons, R410A, heat pump combined with horizontal discharge condenser. It has 230, it's available in 230 single phase 50 Hertz up to 4 ton for all the systems, and 380 3 phase 50 Hertz from 3 to 5 ton. It is also CE certified, which is similar to UL or ETL listings that we have for electrical certifications in the United States. The standard indoor evaporators are the floor ceiling mount, cassette, and fan coil. Now we move forward to the 60 Hertz light commercial lines. We have the standard efficiency on and off light commercial 60 Hertz standard evaporators, which are also the indoor unit evaporators floor ceiling mount, cassette, and fan coil. We have capacities up to 5 tons. They're compatible with R22 and R410A outdoor units in cooling only, combined with single-phase condensers 13ACX, ML14XC1, 16ACX, all produced in our Saltillo plant in Mexico, EL16XC1, XC13N, and XC16 all produced in our Marshalltown factory in Iowa. It's available in 230 single-phase 60 Hz, and as I've said, these are standard combinations that we've done in the field, and all of our customers have confirmed that they are good combinations for all of these standard evaporators for installation. We move on to the 15 SEER inverter. This product is specifically designed with a vertical discharge condensing unit that has been matched and designed only to be able to be combined with the evaporators on this line. It cannot be combined with evaporators on any other light commercial line, nor can the evaporators be combined with any other outdoor unit because of the communicating boards that both have, so that they can communicate with each other for the DC components that they both have. So the capacities are up to 5 tons, R410A cooling only, combined with vertical discharge condenser. It's 230 single phase 60 Hz. It's AHRI and ETL listed. Indoor unit evaporators are the standard floor ceiling mount, cassette, and fan coil. The same as the 15 SEER inverter line, this 18 SEER horizontal discharge inverter line also has the board specifically designed for combination between the outdoor and the indoor units only. So the outdoor unit cannot be combined with any other indoor unit not in these sets, or the indoor units cannot be combined with any other outdoor unit not in this product portfolio. The capacities are up to 5 tons, R410A, heat pump, combined with horizontal discharge condenser, 230 single phase 60 Hz. It's NOM 26 Mexican certification, HRI and ETL. Indoor unit evaporators include the floor ceiling mount, cassette, and fan coil. So the standard Asian light commercial controls for the floor ceiling and the cassette, the standard controls do come with a remote control, and for the fan coil, the standard control with the unit does come with a wired controller. Sometimes customers get confused as to which controller goes with which product, and I just wanted to make it very clear on this slide which ones went with which product, just in case they had any further questions. We also have additional documents for the light commercial products in our Lennox Global website. We have installation and user manuals in English and in Spanish. We have service manuals in English. And we are going to also have the revised submittals format, both in English and Spanish, that is coming soon for future use in your markets with your technicians, your homeowners, and your consulting engineers. We also have a product document listing for this particular product segment, the light commercial. As you can see, the service manuals and the user manuals are all available for all of the products in English. Not all of them are available in Spanish, only a certain segment of them for the user manual are available in Spanish. And we are still predetermining which of the submittals we are going to produce first in English and in Spanish from the entire light commercial lines in both 50 Hz and 60 Hz. That concludes today's webinar. I thank you very much for your assistance. If you have any further questions, please reach out to your territory managers. They know how to get in touch with me, as we're all working colleagues during this time. And I can answer any further questions via email at george.gaitan@lennoxind.com. Thank you very much for your time and have a good afternoon.